Okay, children. So today we will discuss exponents, 8th class CBSE children. So very interesting some children exponents. So in the last videos I was telling about addition exam exercises I completed. Now today addition examples we will do children. Some more examples are there that I do children exponents. So some of the question goes like this. Okay, basic questions. Children solve for x. They will say solve for x. When they ask you to find out x, how to do? 1 second after.
Okay.
Yeah. So how to do when they ask you to find out x? So this is x we will find out. Children first. Okay. So when they ask you to find out x, what we have to do? 7 to the power of 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. This is the question. 7 to the power of 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. This is the question, children. Do you know how to do, anyone? Vedant?
Sir, I know.
Who know?
2x plus 3 is equal to 1, sir.
Zero, sir. 1x.
Huh? 1 means?
2x plus 3 is equal to 1 to the power 1.
Sir, 7 to the power of 0. Sir, 7 to the power of 0, sir.
Very good, Harsha. Who told Ragurama? Harsha? Who told?
Right. Harsha, sir.
Harsha, no, very good. So, children, 7 to the power of 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. We can write as 7 to the power of 0. Please mute your audio, children. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. When base are same, powers can be
Equated.
Compared.
compared. When base are same, powers can be equated. So when you equate the numbers, what will get, children? When you equate the powers, when you equate the powers, what you get? So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 will come here. 2x is equal to minus 3. 2 will come down. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. That's it. Okay, children, like this only. One more sum. Second sum. I hope you're enjoying this sums. Second sum. Okay, second sum is going like this. 2 to the power of x plus 1. 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power of x minus 3. How to find out x? This is the question. 1 second, children. You keep thinking. I'll come in 1 second. Yes, children. Anyone got the answer?
Yes, sir, I got, sir. X is equal to 7.
Sir,
How to
7
do?
by 2, sir.
Sir,
Sir, 7 by
2x.
2, sir. 7 only, sir.
How to do?
Sir, 4 can also be written as 2 square, sir. So 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to.
Okay, we're done. Okay. Very good. Fantastic. So 4 we can write as 2 to the power of 2, x minus 3. Okay, children. 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 2x minus 6. When base are same, powers can be equated. So x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. 6 comes here, x goes there. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 2x minus x. 7 is equal to x. So x is equal to how much? 7.
Seven.
That's it. Okay, children. Next. Third sum, children. Like this only third sum. Same method, children. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of, same like this question only, children. 2 to the power of 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 3. I will ask some student, they have to say, Ashit, can you tell how to do this sum?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then tell.
Equal to 2 cube
Very good. 2 cube whole to the power of.
x plus 3.
So 2 to the power of 5x plus 3 is equal to. What we can write this as?
3x plus 9.
Very good. Very good. Fantastic. When base are same, powers can be.
Compare.
So 5x.
5x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 9.
3x will come here. 3 will go here. What do you get? 5x minus
3 equal to
hmm,
2x equal to
6.
6.
X
X
is
equal
equal
to
to 3. Very good. Okay, children, I hope you are enjoying this subject. Very interesting subject. Next sum. Okay, whomever I ask, they have to say children. Next one. 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 2x is equal to 1 by 32. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Four we can write as 2 square. So
Okay.
and 2 to the power
2 to the power of
2
5 is 32, sir.
is
Let
equals
Rishikesh tell.
is equals to 1 by 2 to the power 5.
Very good. When you bring this up,
Uh, uh, um, 2 to the power minus 5. 2
and
to the
if you multiply this,
2 to the power 4x.
when base are same,
Powers can be compared. So 4x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 by 4.
minus 5 by 4. Very good. X equal minus 5 by 4. Okay, children, next. Next one. Sorry, next sum. Harsha will do this. 4 to the power of x minus 1 into 0.5 into 3 minus 2x to 1 by 8 to the power of 3. Yeah, Harsha.
Yes, sir.
What have you done?
Sir, 4 we can write as 2 to the power of 2, sir.
Okay.
Sir, into 0.5 whole power
Okay.
is equal to 1 by 2 whole power 3. 1 by
1 by 2 cube whole to the power
no,
of 3.
yes, sir.
1 cube is 1 only. This we can write as 2 to the
Sir,
power of.
2 to the power of 2x minus 2, sir.
Okay.
Into 2 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 into 2x. 2 whole power 9, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we can bring this up, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 into
Minus 3 plus 2x. This if it
is
comes
equal
up.
to 2 to the power of minus 9, sir.
So children, okay, then Harsha, thank you. Plus 3 if it comes up minus 3, minus 2x if it comes up plus 2x. When base are same, powers can be compared. So what do you get, children? 2x plus 2x is 4x. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Base are same, powers can be. Minus 5 I will bring here. 4x is equal to minus 9 is 5. 4x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to this cancel. Minus 1 is the answer. I hope you understood, children. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Amma? Yeah, children. Wait, so one more sum. Okay. Megha, this Megha.
Yes, sir.
2 to the power of 3x minus 7 is equal to 256.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2 to the power of 3x minus 7 is equal to 16 square.
256 you have to make into two form. 2 128, 264.
64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power of 8 is 256. And base are same.
Powers can be compared.
So 3x minus
3x
7.
minus 7 is equal to 8.
Okay.
3x is equal to 8 plus 7. 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 5.
Very fantastic. Next question. Okay, children. Like this, okay, one more question. Next question is 2 to the power of x minus 5 is 256. Try to do a derivation of the answer. Next one is 2 to the power of x plus 3 is equal to 4 to the power of x minus 1. Try to do if you can tell me the answer. Try to do on your own.
Sir, I have the answers for both.
Okay. Four to
Sir,
the
7.
power- Okay, children. 3 to the power. Okay, children. 3 to 5. Children, this sum is going to end strong. Okay, so first sum, children. First sum, Anu will tell. Anu, can you tell this sum?
Yes, sir. 2 to the power x minus 5 equals to 2 to the
To the
power
power
8.
8.
And base are same, powers can be?
Compared. X minus 5 equals to 8. X equals to 13.
Okay, Pravalika, can you say this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma.
2 to the power of 2 of 2x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 5.
Okay.
2 to the power of 4x is equal to 2 to the power minus.
Okay.
4x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 4.
Let's look at -5. Next, Raghuram, can you say this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 2 whole to the power x plus 3 is equals to 2 square whole to the power x minus 1. 2x plus 3 is equals to 2x minus 2. Sir, as bases are equal, we could equate powers x plus 3 is equals to 2x minus 2.
Okay.
2x minus x is equals to 3 plus 2.
Okay.
X is equals to 4.
X is equal to 5. Yeah. Next. Next. Yeah. Who will tell this sum? Vedant. Nandika. Nandika will tell. Nandika, can you tell this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell.
2 to the power of 3. 1 plus 3 to the power of 2x.
Okay. 27 into 8. 8 is the 56. 8 is the 16. 216. 216 plus 8 is 2 to 4.
2 to 4.
So you'll get 2 to 4 by 27. Yes, ma. Now what will do? 2 cube will bring down. Okay. So children, please concentrate and bring that sum. Please all concentrate. So this time breaking down, children. 1 plus 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to 4 by 27. 2 cube is 8, children. 8. Okay. So
28, sir. 8
8
divided by
2 cube is 8, children. 2 cube is 8, children. So 2 4s are 2 1 1 2 2 2s are
28.
2 yeah, very good. 28. Okay, children. 1 plus 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 28 by 27. I will bring one here. Tell me, Natix.
So 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 28 by 27 minus 1.
Okay, 27 is LCM.
28 minus 27.
Okay, very good.
1 by 3x. 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 1 by 27.
Okay,
Sir, we can divide the number. Sir.
1 3 cube. Break it up.
Yes, sir.
When bases are same, what's can be compared?
Compared.
This comes down. X is equal to minus 3.
Minus 3 by 2.
That's it. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the sum, children. Next sum. Vedant, can you tell this sum?
Yes, sir. Root can also be written as a 1 by 2. So 3 by
One
5
second.
to the
One second. Yeah. Tell 3 by 5
3 by 5 to the power 1 minus 2x to the power 1 by 2.
to the power of 1 by 2. Because children, if you remove root, you have to write as 1 by 2 children. If you remove root, you have to write the root as 1 by 2 children. So root can be written as 1 by 2. Always face 1. So 27 fours are 98. 108. 4 to the 8, 90. Yeah, 108 plus 17, 125.
125.
125 by 27.
So 5 cube by 3 cube.
Okay. Okay. So in this we can write as 3 by 5.
1 minus
So
2x by 2.
1 minus 2x by 2 because this
Yeah,
whole thing is
multiply.
multiplied. So this we can write as 5
5 cube
by
by 3
3 whole cube. 5 by 3 whole cube. Okay, children. Now if I make it 3 by
You can
5.
write that as my 3 by 5 minus power minus 3.
Very good. 1 minus 2x. This I am writing reverse, children. Why I am writing reverse means so that bases are same, powers can be compared.
So 1 minus 2x by 2 is equal to minus 3.
Okay, 1 minus 2x by 2 is equal to minus 3. This goes
1
up.
minus 2x is equal to minus 6.
Minus 6. This goes
Minus
here.
2x is equal to minus 7.
Minus 7.
Minus 2x is equal, yeah. So x is equal to minus 7 by minus 2, it is 7 by 2.
Very fantastic. So
C1 by
these are some of interesting sums in exponential. So many sums are there. When you come to 9th class, again I will teach you exponential detail. Thank you so much.